Bag contains 12 black discs, 10 white and 5 green, drawn at random without replacement, all different colours. Well, I don't know how I'm going to use a tree diagram, but I'm going to start off with one. So I've got black, white and green. I always like making sure that they one goes up, one goes across, one goes down. That's the first one. And the next one, black, white, green. They mustn't join up with each other. Black, white, green, black, white, green. Going up means black, straight across means white, and down means green. 3 discs, so I've got black, white, green, black, white, green. I'm going to do the next one, black, white, green. It's getting a bit messy now. I'm not going to go any further. We'll see what happens. So 12 black, that's 22, 27, so that'll be probably that way 12 out of 27. This will be 10 out of 27, and this will be 5 out of 27. And I've got to work out that they're all different colour, so I could get black, I can't go up again, so black, white, green, I could get that route there, or I could get black, green, and then white going straight across. I could get that one. I've got lots of different possibilities. I'm going to work out what these ones are here. This one here will be 12 over 27 times by this value here, that'll be this 10 whites, and there'll be only 26, times by 10 over 26, and finally this 5 over 25 at the end. And that'll be the first one. If I multiply that out, that'll give me 4 over 117. Or I can get this root here, and that'll be 12 over 27 times by, and now I'm going to have the green next, that'll be 5 over 26 times by 5 over 26, and finally timesing by the probability of white, which will be 10 over 25. And that's exactly the same thing as I've got here. And so actually now I can see by doing this bit, that'll be 4 over 117. And so now I can see the tops are always going to be 12 times 5 times 10, and the bottoms will always 27 times 26 times 25. So now I just need to work out the probabilities. How many different ways there are of doing this? Well, the first one could be a choice of black, white or green. The second one could be a choice of 2 of the others, and the third one is given, so that will be 3 factorial. 3 for the first one, 2 for the second one, and then it's given. So the answer will be 3 factorial times by 4 over 117, so it's 6 times by that, which will be 24 over 117, and that cancels down to 8 over 39. So that'll be my answer to the first one. Other routes are obviously possible, but 8/39 is the answer. Part 2. Bag containing 30 red and 20 blue, so I'm going to draw that to start off with. 30 red and 20 blue, so it'll be 30 50ths and 20 50ths. Second bag contains 50 discs, each of which is either red or blue. Disc is drawn at random from each bag. Probably these discs are of different colours is 0.54. Fine. Okay, so I've got the first bag red, and I've got the second one. It could either be red or blue. And so what I've got to work out the number of red discs in the second bag. So I can call that N. So this second one is red, blue, so that'll be N over 50, and the blue therefore will be all the rest of them, so that'll be 50 minus N over 50. And then here we've got red, blue, and they're going to be exactly the same. N over 50 and 50 minus N over 50. And so I've got to work out their different colours, so it's going to be that one there. I'll put a cross there to remind myself I'm timesing. So that'll be 30 over 50 times by 50 minus N over 50. Or I could get blue and red, which is 20 over 50 times by N over 50. And if I add those together, that's got to give me 0.54. So add them together, I'll do it up here to give myself a bit of room. That'll be 30 lots of 50 minus N over, that'll be 2,500. Timesing those together, plus that'll be 20n over 2500, and that will equal 0.54 times both sides by 2500. 30 lots of 50 minus n plus the 20n equals times by that'll be 1350. So that gives me 1500 minus 30n plus 20n equals 1350. Collecting on the left, minus 10n, so I'm going to put 10n on this side. Take that away, that's 150, and so n equals 15. And again, there's other ways of probably getting to that. I like tree diagrams, but even if I don't complete the tree diagram, it sometimes gives me a clue as to what's going on. Highly recommended. That's question 8 done.